Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials, internet active, and a recovery email or phone ready, because Microsoft uses them for verification and account recovery. Once connected, open Windows settings and go to Accounts, then your info. Make sure your Dell is updated enough to show the option. If not, apply quick updates and reboot. Click Sign in with a Microsoft account to start. This moves you from local login to Microsoft Identity, enabling OneDrive, store access, and device sync. You now build the actual account credentials. Choose Create One if you need a new Microsoft email, or enter an existing address to link. Create a strong password, 12 characters or more, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols, because this protects apps and files synced to the cloud. Next, Microsoft sends a verification code to the recovery contact you provided. Enter that code quickly since it can time out. Make sure to note the password in your manager and allow device permissions when prompted to enable syncing. You finish by selecting Privacy and Sync Preferences. Enabling OneDrive and Find My Device is recommended so files and security settings travel with you. Sign into Microsoft Store and Edge to verify your account is active across services. If the process stalls, try restarting your Dell, reconnecting to the network, or using a different browser or private window to bypass cached errors. If verification codes fail, request a new one and confirm the recovery contact was entered correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.